You got any more of those pips, Jay Wayne? We trying to get paid. It's Take Profit Tuesday.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, representing Team Take Profits. And y'all know I'm excited to bring this part 2 to y'all. Hey, I don't want to say that this is easy, you know what I'm saying? Because you got to respect every trade that you take. But we saw it coming, man. We saw it coming. And like I said, I wanted to give a part 2 to this. And like I said, my mission for 2023, because bro, I've been practicing technical analysis for 7 years. Now it's time to put 7 years into mastering the fundamental side of things. So I'm on my journey, and this is my year that I'm gonna start. So 5 years from now, when y'all see me just killing the game with the fundamental side of things, you will know where it all started. It was 2023. It's always a journey we on, and I'm always on the grind to master this because I love this stuff. This forex is the only thing that really changed my life. I tried so many different things and they all was a bust for me personally. And forex was the only thing that changed my life. Forex was the only thing that really allowed me to pay off so many debts, do so many things for people that I only dreamed of. And it became a reality. So it don't even make sense that I'm going to go full steam ahead in mastering forex. So that's why I'm so crazy about this stuff. All right. And it ain't no chore for me to go and practice and master this stuff. This is an art form to me. And this is a passion. Now, peep game. This golden zone. So we still go. The golden zone is still a thing in 2023. And how did I get it? Because I put it at the top and I dragged it to this wick down here. And then that's how you see the golden zone sitting right there. And that's where the best entry was. As you saw in my last, if y'all watched my last video, y'all can't be missing my videos. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so y'all don't miss these notifications when these videos drop, because this is not going to be the last swing trade that we get into. And I don't want y'all missing these opportunities. You know, you want to change your life, but you got to, you know what I mean? You got to do things. You got to stay in tune with what's going on. And I'm giving y'all the game. So, peep game, we had divergence. All right, we had divergence. That was step 1. We had the golden zone. That was step 2. We had the trend line. That was step 3. And then we had the outer trend line. That was step 4. All right, and it's sitting right at the 50 at the same time. The 50 moving average. You see the little green 50 moving average. It's a simple moving average. So the divergence is the RSI making lower lows, but price was making higher highs. And so that's a discrepancy, right? And so that means that the market is probably reaching a high point and is ready to pull back. Not forever. It don't mean that. It don't mean it for a long, long time. It's just, we caught it at a spot where it's exhausted, and this is where the sellers come in at. So that's the divergence part of it. That's step 1. That don't mean go and take a sale right now. It means hold up from taking buys. Hold up from taking buys, because sellers is probably going to start entering in the market. Now, the Fibonacci part is the second piece of it. Like I said, high, low, high, drag it down to the low. And we're trying to wait for price to pull back to the golden zone, which is that 618 50% level. All right. So that's step 2. And all that was saying was we want to see market hold here. We want to see the market hold up here at this golden zone. And now we go down to the 1-hour chart, and you can see how you can start taking entries now. And that's what the golden zone is for. Entries around this level. Soon as that candle start coming out. All right. So you could see, and then that around that area, I didn't get the best entry. I got in, I put it on the screen where I got in. I put it there over on the left side. But my entry wasn't too bad. You know what I'm saying? I got a good, nice little entry though. All right. And then that was the second step. And then the third one, let's take the RSI off. The third one is you got to go ahead and plot the chart up with the trend lines, because I don't care what nobody say. Putting lines on the chart, putting two dots together. Oh man, they just trying to fake y'all out. We keep this simple. The trend line is not about putting dots together, connecting dots and putting a line on the chart. The trend line shows you the friction points in the market. Okay, you heard it from your boy Jay Wayne. Friction point. All right, I'm going to circle them for you. Friction point. Friction point. So you're not connecting dots. You're finding the friction points. So next time you hear them little stupid ads talking about connecting dots on the chart and putting trend line or anything about technical, man, tell them we winning. They just need to come see me and learn how to do it the way I do it. Peep game. But the crazy thing is they know this stuff. They just trying to fake you out. So we connecting the friction points, all right? And once the friction point is broken, that's where you get that momentum. You wonder why you get a big candle pushing through, because this was a friction point for so long. That's part 3. And that's the inner trend line. And then the outer trend line was plotted right here, because when price breaks the inner trend line, 80% of the time, it want to test the outer trend line. All right. And that's how you got that. And then ultimately, you could go back up to the higher time frame, and you could see that we was just at a supply zone. You know, we had a supply zone, baby. Supply and demand. Supply is at the top. Demand would be at the bottom somewhere. So, like for an example, this is a pocket of demand zone right here. You see this? Right there. That's a demand zone. All right. So there we go. So that's all my case for building this swing trade. And then how many pips we got? Around here, around this area, all the way down, 115 pips. 114 pips before it turned back around and start pulling back. What made this drop? You got the S&P Global CIPS manufacturing PMI. You got that came in pretty good. It came in higher. It came in better than expected. Okay, because the previous was 45.3. It came in at a 46. All right. So that's why you got the markets was pushing up. That's why you got that push up when everybody was, thinking that maybe it wasn't going to, do what it was supposed to do. And you get this little push up like it was going to break the golden zone. But then you got, following that, the S&P Global CIPS UK Services PMI. And that came in worse than expected. Not much. Not much. Hear me out. Not much, but worse than expected. It was previously 49.9. And it came in at 48. Also, you got the CBI industrial trend orders. All right. That came in worse than expected. So at the end of the day, the factory orders was negative 17. All right. It's going to cause a decrease in price. So dealing with the PMI over there in the UK, they had higher interest rates and they had low consumer confidence. Those were the key factors that held back business activities. Now, they're not looking for this to, be a long-term thing. So that's why I want to take you to the next phase. I don't think that this drop, and I never intended for this drop to be over, 5, 6. It's not, I don't see this being a big downtrend. I saw this an opportunity to pull back because of the technical side of things. It's not a big drop. The numbers weren't that far off. Now check this out on the weekly chart. Inverted head and shoulders. This is technical, right? Again, I'm going to go to the fundamental side of it. And I want to see overall, is the GBP economy moving in a positive direction? So I read some comments that people were saying that price already broke the neckline. You crazy for thinking about taking a sell. No. That's why you need me around. Because certain folks will have you missing out on opportunity. There's no way that I'm going to allow you guys to miss out on 100 pips. 100 pips? All right. See, 100 pips, this move right here, even though we were looking overall on a weekly at this inverted head and shoulders, I've been tracking that with the team for a month, like maybe a month now. There's no way I'm gonna miss out on this because we good at trading. I'm not gonna miss out on 100 pips. I'm gonna get the 100 pips, and then I'm gonna turn around and take buys and get back in on the trend on the buy side. I'm gonna get back on the train. Why not catch both? And we do it safely. Now we're trying to find where can we get in for buy opportunities to go back up to the upside to follow this weekly swing trade. So we're gonna be into another swing trade. Guys, if you want to follow these detailers with exact entry points, scalping every day pretty much, you know, unless there's news, we scalping, making income. I'm giving you the step-by-step plays on these swing trades. Like, join the mentorship, guys. Join the team take profits. We getting it, and I'm passionate about this, and I'm passionate about helping you guys become profitable traders so you can get your time freedom back and start empowering people around you, you know. And that's my goal, and that's my mission, guys. I want to see y'all winning. All right, I want to see y'all stacking these accounts up, you know, getting these profits and going out doing some big things in the world, helping folks that really need help out here. Please subscribe, because when we get to 200,000 subscribers, we're doing a giveaway for everybody. These scalping day trades that I'm taking every day, I'm bringing y'all along on the journey for a week straight with me. And that's for everybody. All right? That's everybody that's subscribed and watching my channel. We're going to be going live, and we're going to be doing this together for a week straight. That's just a way, maybe more, but that's just a way for me to give back for appreciation of, you know, let's get into 200,000 subscribers. So share this video with about 2 friends, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.